2019. We're at the Edelrid stand, and there's some amazing new developments coming out of rope testing. This is Phil, he's head of product for Edelrid. Hi Phil.
Hi.
We looked earlier at your rope testing machine, which is this amazing device, and you've got a new rope that's come off the back of this testing.
Exactly, yeah. So what we already got on the machine here is the Swift Protect Pro Tri.
Yeah.
It's like the name already suggests, based on the Swift, so it's an 8.9 millimeter triple certified rope.
Yeah.
And yeah, basically we put all of our knowledge about cut resistance into this rope to make a rope that is far more cut resistant than any other rope.
Okay.
And on the last video, like the video about the machine, we saw we cut this rope.
Yeah.
So that's a 9.8 millimeter rope.
Yeah.
So maybe your standard gym sport climbing rope. Yeah. And yeah, now we put the Swift Protect on the machine, and we can check
see the difference.
See the difference. Same testing setup.
Okay.
So
what was the value of this? Do you remember?
That was 11.9 centimeters.
11.9 centimeters.
So the machine measures the distance.
Yeah.
That's what you compare it on. Yeah.
Okay.
11.9.
Great.
Let's
and
see
now
how this performs.
Are we ready? Exciting.
It's got tension. It gets tension now.
Yep.
Here we go. And now we're at 14.5.
Ah, for the same weight, 75 kilos.
For the same weight, yeah.
Significant.
It is significant. I mean, the lower the weight, when we would put a little bit weight, the difference gets bigger. But yeah, keep in mind that it performed now better than a rope that was almost a millimeter thicker than this one.
Yeah, because that's quite a thin rope to have as a single rope, isn't it?
Exactly.
Most people would find that a bit scary. Yeah. So it performs like a thicker rope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Great.
The way we did this, well, there are actually several other things that you can tune in a construction of the rope to get a higher cut resistance. But what's special about this rope is that it actually has aramid fibres inside the sheath.
Okay.
Aramid is a material that is quite strong, quite static, and also cut resistant. And this is basically what's special about this rope. Now, aramid, the challenge with this for a rope manufacturer, and why there's never been a dynamic rope with aramid,
it's not stretchy.
Exactly.
Yeah, because you have an aramid sling and it's
exactly. And we
static.
wanted to have a dynamic rope according to the European standard for ropes. So we had to come up with ideas of how to get still dynamic into this. Through construction, but also through treatment of the materials beforehand. And in the past years, we made a lot of experiences in hybrid construction. Last year we introduced the Boa Gym, which is a dynamic rope with a polyester sheath. Also never been there before. And also the test, or like the experiences from the wrap line development basically was the key to develop this.
Okay, so the aramid it's in there, but it's still stretchy. It's working.
Exactly, it's working. It makes the rope a little bit more static, but it's a fully certified dynamic rope.
Okay.
As I said, triple rated. It's blue sign and has our Pro Tri treatment. So you won't really notice a difference to the Swift.
Yeah.
Only that the weight is 1 gram per meter higher than the Swift.
Yeah.
Because aramid is a little bit of a heavier material than polyamide.
Yeah.
But basically a perfect rope for mountain guides.
Yeah.
But truly, for anyone who wants to do like alpine adventures where you have even sport climbs. I mean, just a couple of years ago there was the video of Michel Caminati on Elder Statesman in the Peak District, where his rope got cut during the fall. So basically, everywhere where you have the hazard of sharp edges, this should be your go-to.
Yeah.
This for sure is your safest option.
I think 60 grams over a rope, I think I could cope with that for the extra cut resistance.
53.
53 well, there we go.
Grams per
So
minute.
light.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Phil, for speaking to us
You're
today.
welcome.